I'm going to show you our web TV. So it's ubicast.tv for those who want to take a look at our available videos. It's absolutely easy and intuitive to use. Everything in our web TV has been made to match our corporate identity, and it's quite easy to edit, right? As I said before, CSS style sheets, or simply using the HTML and HEX codes, you can customize your video platform. The idea is to make it work as a private YouTube, so that your content stays yours and it stays available to whomever you want it to be available. In this case, for example, you can see that there are some locks in these videos. This means that the videos are only viewable by people with the right access. Okay, this one here with the green check mark means that the video is available publicly to anyone or everyone. So right off the bat, I see my name and I see a number of options in the pull down. So I can modify my profile. I can go directly to my channel, which will host all of the content that I have uploaded into the system. It's my hub. So I go here and I can make any subtitles, any sub-channels that I wish to make. Okay, so I have loose videos here. Some of them have been made with Web Studio, and my set live streams, as well as a sample channel. So if I go into that sample channel, I can create a subfolder, I can add more content, but I can also just use my handy button right here of the top right corner and say record, upload, or advance. Record will open a pop-up which is actually Web Studio. Okay, let's see if I can make that happen during the call. I'm not quite sure because my camera is busy at the moment, but it should work. So we have a pop-up with choosing your camera, your screen, or both sources. You can prepare your video with the title already. And I can say, I'm going to try both. My entire screen. And there we go. So you have your camera, your screen, which you can move around. I can change the size as well of my camera. So I'm just trying to make sure that everything is nice and tidy. I have a customized background. I can see my microphone input. And once I press record, I will have then 5 seconds to align everything on my screen, maybe put my presentation on full screen, and start my recording. So the recording happens directly on your server or in the cloud. So it is not held in your hardware. That means that your teachers won't get their system cluttered with extra videos or their hard drive needing extra storage at any given time. The recording happens directly in the cloud. Okay. Maybe what we'll do is start recording. So as you can see, I have my recording here. What I can do is I can put this back into full screen just to show you a little bit of how the rest works. The upload system is very straightforward, and it works from your phone, from your tablet, from any place that you have access to a video library. So you can just give it a title, sample, and then you can select your channel. In this case, it's pre-selected for me, and I can choose the file that I want to upload. Once that's done, I can come back and say, okay, I do own this media. I have the rights for this media. Transcoding the file will allow your users to get adaptive bitrate, which means that the file is transcoded into high, medium, and low quality in order to match the available bandwidth of your viewer. Then slide detection activates the OCR, the optical character recognition, and the snapshot taking on your content. And the outcome analysis, we showed it to you briefly here before. Okay, so all of that is automated once you select it. And when you simply add your media, you will see a loading bar that will take you directly into the editing part of the video. I will now, instead of doing that, I'm going to stop the recording. So we have 1 minute and 54 seconds. And this is essentially step 2. Once the video is uploaded and it is being processed, we see the green bar here, very quickly processed.